Are you tired of that nagging feeling in the back of your head telling you to scroll through cat videos instead of tackling that mountain of work? We've all been there. That sneaky monster called procrastination can really mess with our productivity and leave us feeling overwhelmed and stressed. But fear not, procrastination warriors. Today we're here to arm you with the ultimate battle plan to slay that beast and become a productivity pro. This video is jam-packed with actionable tips and strategies to help you. Uncover the secret psychology behind procrastination. Why do we do it? Learn how to break down those daunting tasks into bite-sized victories. No more feeling overwhelmed. Discover time management techniques that actually work. Say goodbye to wasted hours. So whether you're a chronic procrastinator or just looking to boost your productivity, buckle up, because this video is about to become your new weapon against the procrastination monster. Let's get started. Why we procrastinate. Unveiling the procrastination monster's lair. All right, everyone, let's talk honestly. We've all been there. You stare at that to-do list, a looming deadline approaching, yet somehow find yourself organizing your sock drawer instead. Why? Why do we willingly put things off, even when we know it leads to stress and anxiety? Well, the answer lies within the complex folds of our brains. There are actually a few sneaky culprits behind procrastination: fear of failure. Sometimes that big project or challenging task can feel intimidating. The fear of messing up can be so paralyzing that we avoid starting altogether. Feeling overwhelmed. Maybe the task just feels too big, too complex. We get bogged down trying to figure out where to even begin, leading to a feeling of helplessness. And, you guessed it, procrastination. Perfectionism. The silent perfectionist. The need for everything to be flawless can lead to endless revisions and a constant feeling of not good enough, causing us to delay finishing the task altogether. Simple boredom. Let's face it, some tasks are just plain boring. We'd much rather scroll through social media or watch funny cat videos than tackle a tedious report. These are just a few reasons why we fall victim to procrastination, but understanding the why is the first step to overcoming it. In the next segment, we'll explore powerful strategies to break free from the procrastination monster's grip and become productivity champions. Strategies to slay the procrastination monster, your productivity arsenal. All right, warriors, we've identified the enemy, procrastination. Now, let's equip ourselves with the weapons needed to conquer it. Weapon 1, conquer with smart goals. First things first, we need a clear target. Enter SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of a vague work on project, try write 2 sections of the report by Friday. See the difference? Now you have a specific, measurable goal with a deadline. Weapon 2, chunk it like a boss. Ever feel overwhelmed by a giant task? Here's your secret weapon: chunking. Break that big project down into smaller, more manageable steps. Focus on completing the first chunk. Suddenly, that mountain of work becomes a series of achievable hills. Weapon 3, time management techniques, your productivity BFFs. Feeling like time just slips away? Let's introduce your new best friends. Time management techniques. The Pomodoro technique is a great option. Set a timer for 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a short break. Repeat. This keeps you focused and energized. Another technique is time blocking. Schedule specific times for tackling specific tasks. This creates a clear structure for your day. Weapon 4. Silence the distractions, your focus fortress. Social media notifications pinging, emails dinging. These are the sirens of procrastination. Silence them. Use website blockers or put your phone away. Create a distraction-free zone to maximize your focus. Weapon 5. Reward yourself. The power of positive reinforcement. Let's face it, completing tasks feels good. Harness the power of positive reinforcement by setting up a reward system. Finished a chunk? Treat yourself to a coffee break or a quick game. Rewards keep you motivated and on track. Remember, these are just a few weapons in your anti-procrastination arsenal. Find what works best for you and experiment. In the next segment, we'll discuss how to maintain motivation and conquer the long-term battle against procrastination. Stay tuned. Maintaining the motivation flame, keeping the procrastination monster at bay. All right, warriors, we've armed ourselves with powerful strategies to slay the procrastination monster, but conquering that beast is a marathon, not a sprint. So, how do we stay motivated for the long haul? Here are some key tactics to keep your motivation flame burning bright. Self-compassion is your ally. Listen, setbacks happen. Don't beat yourself up if you fall victim to procrastination every now and then. Acknowledge your progress no matter how small. Celebrate those wins. Self-compassion fuels motivation, not crushes it. Habit is your superpower. Building positive habits is key to lasting change. Schedule dedicated work time each day, even if it's just for a short period. The more you make productivity a habit, the easier it becomes to resist procrastination. Find your support system. Surround yourself with positive, motivated people. A supportive network can hold you accountable and celebrate your successes. Focus on progress, not perfection. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Done is better than perfect. Don't get bogged down in striving for everything to be flawless. Move forward, learn, and grow. Maintaining motivation is an ongoing process. By implementing these strategies and tailoring them to your needs, you can build resilience against procrastination and become a master of productivity. Remember, you are not alone in this battle. We're all on this journey together, so keep fighting the good fight and keep slaying those procrastination monsters. Conclusion: wrapping up your procrastination slaying journey. All right, everyone, we've reached the end of our battle plan. You've learned why we procrastinate, discovered powerful strategies to overcome it, and explored ways to maintain motivation for the long haul. Remember, procrastination doesn't have to control your life. You have the power to break free and become a productivity powerhouse. So, here's your final mission. Take action. Implement the strategies we discussed, find what works best for you, and slay those procrastination monsters on your own terms. And remember, I'm always here to cheer you on. Leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway from this video. What strategy are you most excited to try? Let's build a community of productivity warriors together. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep slaying those monsters.